Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you've been trying to get a screen capture of what's on your computer and you notice that when you try to do it, it zooms in on the photo, making it too large to capture, then here's a quick fix. As you can see in my computer, after I open up my screen capture software and when I press my hotkeys, you can see that it zooms in on my image, making it unusable. I just wanted to capture exactly what's on my screen. I don't want it to keep zooming in all the time. So why is it doing this? It's due to your display screen resolution. So you can hit the Windows key and type in settings in the search bar, or hit the Windows key and click on the little gear icon to enter Windows settings. Once you're in settings, go to system, and in system, go down to scale. Now you might see something that says 125% recommended. Simply change it to 100% by clicking the down arrow to open up the options. Now that your scale is set to 100%, when you hit your hotkeys or activate your screen grab and take a screen capture, it will not zoom in anymore. As you can see, it no longer zooms in. And here are the before and after pictures of what I captured with my screen grab. And that's it. So I hope it helps anyone out there. And if it did, don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe as it really helps me out. Feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer. And until next time.